this is the mother, I mean the little princess, the father, the grandfather, the uncle, the little kid, the sister, the brother.
And what are they doing?
You know, these old people are visiting. And they all had a very, very nice dinner. It was so good that they brought more. And that one they ate flowers. Just like in the salad.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And the mom said, "Quiet, everyone." And that family had 24 kids.
Whoa. That is a lot of kids.
The mother said that was certainly a kid. Mind your manners and nothing to do. If the maid say, "Come into my work office and you will be a princess too." So the 24 kids all went into her room and they snuck in. And she looked so beautiful sleeping that they just snuck into the workplace. So that's the end of the chapter.
Yay!
I want to see the movie.